You don't have a chance to
Okay, come on, Marshall.
I was sitting here earlier.
Come on, 10 runners. You don't get this.
Oh!
Goes down hard.
You okay, Calvin?
You want a
No.
Band-Aid?
But if John can't get it, we got to raise it a little bit. So you may still be in, Calvin.
I think my new suit.
Do you want a Band-Aid?
Don't worry, I got that.
Oh, was that right there?
Do you have first aid?
Well, I may have used, I think I know where there's one more.
Look at that vertical.
John, you don't have to do it right now. Look at that.
Oh, he's still in.
Calvin, you all right?
I'll be fine. I just need to get something on it. If it's a lot, if it doesn't. No.
What happened?
I have a scab on my knee. That's where I fell.
Oh! Kill it.
Got it, John.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh, and he controls it.